Okay, so this video is going to be on ratios and then solving triangles. So this first one here, we have find cotangent of theta if sine of theta is equal to 3 over 5. Take a minute, pause the video, try it on your own, and then come back. Okay, welcome back. So the first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to draw a triangle. We have a visual here. Angle here. Okay, and let's just say this is theta. Well, we're given sine. Sine of theta is equal to 3 over 5. So remember, sine is opposite over hypotenuse. Here's my opposite. Here's my hypotenuse. Okay. Now I want to find the cotangent. Well, cotangent is just the reciprocal of tangent. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to find tangent theta, which is opposite over adjacent. So I'm going to find that first, and then I'm just going to flip it. Okay, so here's my opposite. Here's my adjacent. No, I'm missing that side. So I'm going to have to use the Pythagorean theorem to find that side. So I'm going to have 3 squared plus b squared is equal to 5 squared. I get b squared is equal to 9 squared. Or 9, just 9. Or 16, sorry. Square root, we get b is equal to 4. Okay, so now I know this side is equal to 4. So now I have my adjacent, so I know my tangent is going to be 3 over 4. But I'm not trying to find tangent, I'm trying to find cotangent. Cotangent is just the reciprocal of tangent. My cotangent of theta is equal to 4 over 3. Okay, so there's that one. Next one, we want to solve this triangle. We want to solve. So go ahead, pause the video, try this one on your own, and then come back. Okay, welcome back. So to solve a triangle, we need to find all the missing parts. So missing right here, and then I have missing. Okay, so let's start with that side. For that side, well, we already have 2 other sides. So I'm going to use the Pythagorean theorem here. So to find b, I'm going to have 15 squared plus 11 squared is equal to ab squared. Okay, so we can use our calculator here. So we're going to have 15 squared plus 11 squared. That's going to be equal to 346 equal to ab squared. Okay, square root. I have ab is equal to the square root of 340. Okay, so there's ab. Okay, now we need to find these 2 angles. So let's start with angle b. So angle b, and which trig ratio uses opposite and adjacent? I'm going to have tangent of b is equal to the opposite, which is 15 over 11. Okay, now I want to solve for b, so I'm going to use the inverse of tangent on both sides. So now I have b is equal to the inverse of tangent of 15 over 11. So then we can plug that into our calculator. Okay, that's my first one. Okay, second one, angle A. So I notice now this is my is equal to 11 over 15. The inverse. I get A equal to the inverse of tangent have 11 over 15. Okay, plug it into the calculator. We get 30.2. Alright, and there's my three missing parts, so we just solved the triangle.